To get a Crypto.com credit card, follow these steps. Create a Crypto.com account. Download the Crypto.com app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up and complete the verification process, which typically includes providing personal information and verifying your identity. Apply for the card. Navigate to the card section within the Crypto.com app. Choose the card tier you're interested in and tap Apply Now. Stake CRO tokens. To qualify for a Crypto.com card, you'll need to stake a certain amount of CRO for a specified period. The amount of CRO required varies depending on the card tier you select. Complete the application. Follow the prompts to complete the card application. Provide any additional information required for verification. Receive and activate your card. Once approved, you will receive your Crypto.com card via mail. Activate the card through the Crypto.com app. Start using your card. Your Crypto.com card can be used like any other Visa card for purchases online and in-store, and you can also enjoy benefits like cashback rewards and perks associated with your card tier.